So I'm Patrick Anglican, aka Buddy, and I'm going on the stage in front of, I don't know, probably thousands of people and representing Mount Mercy College Scythe Team and letting everybody know that Mount Mercy College Scythe Team exists and we're here to stay and we're gonna compete against everybody no matter who they are and where they are at.
This is your time. Go out there and take it. We are the champions, my friend. We keep on fighting to the end. We are the champions. We are the champions.
You're the best. You're the best there's ever been.
Of the world.
Welcome the teams from Iowa.